Once you've installed Joomla, your site should look something like this, a very basic and clean layout. Now what we're going to do here is, I don't want to use the default layout. I want to use a framework. And pretty much what a framework is, it allows you to build sites so much faster. It's like this prepackaged, stuff that's already been created. So instead of you having to build everything from the ground up, you just use that blueprint to be able to, customize and tweak some things. So I'm using the Helix 2 framework. It's a free framework and it's really, it's excellent. This is probably one of the best frameworks that I use whenever I'm creating a website with Joomla. So you go to the joomshaper.com site and you click on this download, and you have several options here. You have this option here for quick start, and the quick start pretty much is just a demo of their live site that they've created. You don't want to use that. Then you have here for the 3 and 2.5. And then you have here the template only. So what you're going to need to do is you need to download just this template only, and also the system plugin for the 2.5 and 3. So these two go hand in hand in order for you to utilize this framework. And here's just a sample of what it looks like. This is what the demo looks like. And the reason why I like this framework, because it's very clean and it's very, very professional. It keeps everything so, just crisp. And one of the things when you're creating a website is that you want things to be very easy for people to navigate around, to be able to find what they're looking for. So I've already downloaded the template, and I've also downloaded the system plugin. So once again, this is what the default Joomla looks like. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back here to the extension, and you just go to upload the package. And you want to choose, and you're going to you want to install the system plugin. So from wherever you downloaded it, you just come here and you click on choose file, and you upload this one here. And then you do the same thing, choose file again. And then you do the same thing for the template. So that is going to, install the template and the plugin, which allows you to start utilizing this. And then once you're done, you can go here to extensions. Then first you want to go over to the plugin manager. Now the plugin manager, this is where you have to enable the system plugin that you install. So you type in Helix, and you're going to get the system Helix framework. Now yours should not be enabled. It should look something with the little X on it like this. So all you want to do is you just want to click on enable plugin. This is going to enable the plugin. If you don't enable the plugin, you're going to get an error message when you try to look through it in the front end. So once you've done that, then you want to go to extensions and then go to template manager. What we're doing here is we're going to set this template as the default. So the site won't have the membership template look like this, but it's going to have a cleaner look, with this layout type. It's not going to have all this content there, but it's going to have that same look. So once you've done that, you come here, you notice that you have the Shaper Helix 2 here. And right now the Protostar is the default. What you want to do is you want to click on this to set default. So once you've done that, let's go to the front end. So now you have, this is the default template. And as you can see, it's very, very clean. So now this is controlling the main site. Your site is no longer going to look like this, which is one of the great things with Joomla, is that you can be able to switch templates, back and forth to whatever you want it to be. So this is what we're going to utilize. In the next lesson, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Helix framework.